Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. Numbers 26 verses 1 to 65. 26. After the plague, Yahweh spoke to Moses and to Eleazar the son of Aaron, the priest, saying, 2. Take a census of all the congregation of the children of Israel, from 20 years old and upward, by their fathers' houses, all who are able to go out to war in Israel. 3. Moses and Eleazar the priest spoke with them in the plains of Moab by the Jordan at Jericho, saying, 4. Take a census, from 20 years old and upward, as Yahweh commanded Moses and the children of Israel. These are those who came out of the land of Egypt. 5. Reuben, the firstborn of Israel, the sons of Reuben. Of Hanak, the family of the Hanakites. Of Palu, the family of the Paluites. 6. Of Hezron, the family of the Hezronites. Of Carmi, the family of the Carmites. 7. These are the families of the Reubenites, and those who were counted of them were 43,730. 8. The son of Palu, Eliab. 9. The sons of Eliab, Nemuel, Dathan, and Abiram. These are the Dathan and Abiram, who are called by the congregation, who rebelled against Moses and against Aaron in the company of Korah, when they rebelled against Yahweh. 10. And the earth opened its mouth, and swallowed them up together with Korah, when that company died. At the time the fire devoured 250 men, and they became a sign. 11. Notwithstanding, the sons of Korah didn't die. 12. The sons of Simeon after their families. Of Nemuel, the family of the Nemuelites. Of Jamin, the family of the Jaminites. Of Yajin, the family of the Jashinites. 13. Of Zerah, the family of the Zerahites. Of Shaul, the family of the Shaulites. 14. These are the families of the Simeonites, 22,200. 15. The sons of Gad after their families. Of Zephon, the family of the Zephonites. Of Hagi, the family of the Haggites. Of Shuni, the family of the Shunites. 16. Of Ozni, the family of the Oznites. Of Eri, the family of the Erites. 17. Of Arad, the family of the Aradites. Of Areli, the family of the Arelites. 18. These are the families of the sons of Gad, according to those who were counted of them, 40,500. 19. The sons of Judah, Ah and Onan. Ah and Onan died in the land of Canaan. 20. The sons of Judah after their families were, of Shelah, the family of the Shelonites. Of Perez, the family of the Perizzites. Of Zerah, the family of the Zerahites. 21. The sons of Perez were, of Hezron, the family of the Hezronites. Of Hamiel, the family of the Hamielites. 22. These are the families of Judah, according to those who were counted of them, 76,500. 23. The sons of Issachar after their families. Of Tola, the family of the Tolites. Of Puvah, the family of the Punites. 24. Of Jashub, the family of the Jashubites. Of Shimron, the family of the Shimronites. 25. These are the families of Issachar, according to those who were counted of them, 64,300. 26. The sons of Zebulun after their families. Of Serd, the family of the Seredites. Of Elon, the family of the Elonites. Of Jeeliel, the family of the Jeelielites. 27. These are the families of the Zebulunites, according to those who were counted of them, 60,500. 28. The sons of Joseph after their families. Manasseh and Ephraim. 29. The sons of Manasseh. Of Machir, the family of the Machirites. And Machir became the father of Gilead. Of Gilead, the family of the Gileadites. 30. These are the sons of Gilead. Of Ezer, the family of the Ezerites. Of Helek, the family of the Helekites. 31. And Azareel, the family of the Israelites. And Shechem, the family of the Shechemites. 32. And Shemitah, the family of the Shemedites. And Hepher, the family of the Hepherites. 33 Zelophehad, the son of Hepher, had no sons, but daughters. And the names of the daughters of Zelophehad were Mahlah, Noah, Hoglah, Milcah, and Tirzah. 34. These are the families of Manasseh. Those who were counted of them were 52,700. 35. These are the sons of Ephraim, after their families. Of Shuthelah, the family of the Shuthelahites. Of Becher, the family of the Becherites. Of Tahanan, the family of the Tahanites. 36. These are the sons of Shuthelah. Of Aaron, the family of the Aaronites. 37. These are the families of the sons of Ephraim, according to those who were counted of them, 32,500. These are the sons of Joseph, after their families. 38. The sons of Benjamin after their families. Of Bela, the family of the Belates. Of Ashbel, the family of the Ashbelites. Of Ahiram, the family of the Ahiramites. 39. Of Shephaphim, the family of the Shephamites. Of Huppim, the family of the Huppimites. 40. The sons of Bela were Ard and Naaman, the family of the Ardites. And of Naaman, the family of the Naamites. 41. These are the sons of Benjamin after their families. And those who were counted of them were 45,600. 42. These are the sons of Dan after their families. Of Shuham, the family of the Shuhamites. These are the families of Dan after their families. 43. All the families of the Shuhamites, according to those who were counted of them, were 64,400. 44. The sons of Asher after their families. Of Imnah, the family of the Imnites. Of Ishvi, the family of the Ishvites. Of Beriah, the family of the Berites. 45. Of the sons of Beriah. Of Heber, the family of the Heberites. Of Malchiel, the family of the Malchelites. 46. The name of the daughter of Asher was Sarah. 47. These are the families of the sons of Asher, according to those who were counted of them, 53,400. 48. The sons of Naphtali after their families. Of Jaziel, the family of the Jazelites. Of Guni, the family of the Gunites. 49. Of Jezer, the family of the Jezerites. Of Shillem, the family of the Shillemites. 50. These are the families of Naphtali, according to their families. And those who were counted of them were 45,400. 51. These are those who were counted of the children of Israel, 601,730. 52. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, 53. To these the land shall be divided for an inheritance, according to the number of names. 54. To the more you shall give the more inheritance, and to the fewer you shall give the less inheritance. To everyone according to those who are counted of him shall his inheritance be given. 55. Notwithstanding, the land shall be divided by lot. According to the names of the tribes of their fathers, they shall inherit. 56. According to the lot shall their inheritance be divided between the more and the fewer. 57. These are those who were counted of the Levites after their families. Of Gershon, the family of the Gershonites. Of Kohath, the family of the Kohathites. Of Merari, the family of the Merites. 58. These are the families of Levi, the family of the Libnites, the family of the Hebronites, the family of the Mahlites, the family of the Mushites, and the family of the Korahites. Kohath became the father of Amram. 59. The name of Amram's wife was Jochebed, the daughter of Levi, who was born to Levi in Egypt. She bore to Amram Aaron and Moses, and Miriam their sister 60. To Aaron were born Nadab and Abihu, Eleazar and Ithamar. 61. Nadab and Abihu died when they offered strange fire before Yahweh. 62. Those who were counted of them were 23,000, every male from a month old and upward. For they were not counted among the children of Israel, because there was no inheritance given them among the children of Israel. 63. These are those who were counted by Moses and Eleazar the priest, who counted the children of Israel in the plains of Moab by the Jordan at Jericho. 64. But among these there was not a man of them who were counted by Moses and Aaron the priest, who counted the children of Israel in the wilderness of Sinai. 65. For Yahweh had said of them, they shall surely die in the wilderness. There was not a man left of them, except Caleb the son of Jephunneh, and Joshua the son of Nun. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about Numbers chapter 26 verses 1 to 65. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.